Machiegni paw tuke klipe ariyo manitiere riwruok matayo tuke rugby pacho ka ogolo duondgi ka gidwaro mondo mi riwruok mar KRU ogol nonro mag buge omenda. Klipego kamoting'o Ngong Warriors RFC, Meru RFC gi Moi University Asonist RFC kokalo kuom jawach elogi omiyo KRU nyaka tarik 9 dweni matimo ka gidwaro kawo kamano to gibiro kwayo jotugo kaachiel gi johera mag tuke rugby mondo kik ywa tuke mag league season manyien.
This is not about politics, but it's about principle. We therefore call upon all like-minded clubs and affiliates to join us in this legitimate demand for accountability. This is not a rebellion, it's a rescue mission for the good of Kenyan rugby. Should our demand be ignored, we shall reconvene to determine and take further action as necessary. We are demanding that the KRU CEO facilitate access to the requested financial records by Wednesday, 9th July 2025, and provide a written response to each individual club no later than this date.
In the Kenya Rugby Union, as a player, it's like I have nothing that rewards me for giving it my all to the game. Because if you look at a player, you give your all to the game, but at the long run, you are rewarded with nothing. There's nothing as a player that you get, and all your life, you've given it to the game. And the people who are supposed to help us are ignoring us right now.